All right, what are we doing here? Ah, Jesus. Hopefully I can do this one. Okay. It's actually this particular type of level pops up a lot. It's just that it is important because we don't have the room over here, all right, to mess with. So we're going to use this room. It's just to kind of get your brain working a little bit better when it comes to some of these maps. Now, I do believe this is the setup. All right, I'm going to point my steer straight. Let's zoom in a little bit more. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. Whoop, got to get that jackknife going more. And there we go. All right, obviously I'm not going to be able to chase that in, so that sucks. Because if I keep going, yeah, okay, let's go forward and then to the right. Yes, now I'm going to hug that wall as much as I can. I'm still jackknifing though, because I can't chase it fully. Okay, we gotta go all the way back. Ideally, I should probably restart. But hard right, and okay, okay. I think I can get it this time. All the way to the left. Well, it's much better. So if I need to readjust, I can. Oh man, you know what? Screw this. All right, restart. Let's try that again. I need to get closer to this trailer right there. Okay. Now, hard left, hard left, hard left, hard left. All right. Point my steer straight. I'm already as pretty hard jackknife going, so we can't. We got it. There we go. Let's maintain that. So I'm watching the back of my trailer that you wouldn't normally be able to see in the real world. Man, yeah. As you can see, it is tough. No, okay, I think no, you can do pull forwards here, and it doesn't look like there's a lot of room, but there is to where you can straighten up. It's just that it takes a lot of tiny little turn. Oops, damn it! What did I do? Turn to the right. Okay, just gotta not hit that wall. All right, now we can do a lot more maneuvering. Let's get it back there. And I still think that I might have gotten 3 stars. Oh no, I'm not in. I am. Cool.